All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. Yep, this token right now is up about 4% in the last 24 hours. It's traded just under 5 cents right now, so this could be a good time to load back up. We're going to talk about that. Going to go over to the website, see what's going on the website for AMP token. I'm going to do a reminder today of what Amazon said in the first quarter of next year, how AMP token could be one of the two cryptocurrencies. So today is going to be a big reminder of the Amazon for the next quarter in 2 weeks from now. So I'm going to do that, a little price prediction on AMP token. We're also going to talk about Radio Shack, how it's returning as a crypto company, and how it's going to bridge the gap between CEOs and the crypto community. So Radio Shack, AMP token, Amazon. Another thing about AMP token, the 4 assets in the metaverse that they just got taken care of. We're going to talk about that. All kinds of good stuff happening on this show today. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency. We'll do a little price prediction on AMP token at the end. Hey everybody, let's head over to AMP token. All right, coin market cap right here, AMP token, the 66 cryptocurrency on coin market cap. Right now up about almost 5%, 4.82% in the last 24 hours. Down about 0.5% in the last 7 days. Clicking it. Almost again 5% up in the last 24 hours. Traded at 0.48. So taking a look at the AMP token here. In the last 24 hours, it's kind of been going up, going real good. Last 7 days is when it's been going down. But the last 7 days it went down, but look, it's on the way back up. Let's do that reminder right now. We're going to do the price prediction a little bit later. This is big. Remember this article a few months ago, last month? Amazon is considering AMP crypto as a legal payment on its website in 2022. Yes, says the insider. Jeff Bezos has reported directed Amazon to look into considering cryptocurrency as a legal payment by when? Yeah, next month, 2022. A team of crypto experts are examining the possibility of partnering with coins that are available for less than a cent or reach within $1. The insiders reveal the team is presently looking into 4 different cryptocurrencies. Number 1, AMP token. Take a look at that. AMP token's right there. The other 3 are right below that. Shiba Inu, Matic, and Hulk. So out of these 4 names, 2 of them are going to get picked next month as part of the, and right here, apart from AMP token, there's 3 other ones. So take a look at the nice logo right there. We could be seeing this on Amazon all next month. Let's remind everybody this is going on right now behind the scenes. It says, however, the 4 options the team is examining, among the 4 options, the team examined the potential. The insiders claimed that only 2 of the coins would be finalized as a legal payment on the website checkout page. And would AMP make it to the top 2 remains? Who knows? Maybe next month is the first quarter of next year. The sole reason Amazon is looking to incorporate lesser value coins is they're easier, accessible, and much more affordable for customers to purchase and pay. Nobody wants to break down their Bitcoin for a $20 purchase or a $150 purchase. Most people don't want to break down their Ethereum, but getting tokens that are under 5 cents, Shiba Inu is even less. I mean, this could be a good thing. It makes good sense. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think of Amazon? 4 cryptocurrencies, 2 of them are going to get picked. AMP's right there. Big reminder for everybody. So this token, the price prediction coming up in the end, who knows? If this happens, we know what's going to happen. Boom! Again, Amazon right here is in line with considering AMP coin as a legal payment. So again, Amazon in the news. Amazon thinking about AMP token. This could be real big. Let's head over here to Radio Shack. Radio Shack returns as a crypto company. The goal is to bring cryptocurrency to mainstream using the well-known consumer brand. So again, take a look. Radio Shack returns as a crypto company. All right, what's going to happen next here, guys? It says Radio Shack, once a brand associated with home electronics, has reappeared as a crypto company. The Radio Shack website now advertises the company as bringing cryptocurrency to mainstream by creating new protocols allowing everyone to more accessibly use the DeFi, decentralized finance. We're going to go over to the Radio Shack website. Yeah, let's do that. Right here, Radio Shack, bringing cryptocurrency to the mainstream. Our mission is to be the first protocol to bridge the gap to mainstream usage of DeFi. What is Radio Shack DeFi? Radio Shack is a 100-year-old brand enabled into the global consciousness, and we're going to lead the way for blockchain tech to reach mainstream adoption by other large brands. What's the challenge? This one's big. The real challenge is the real generation gap between the average crypto buyer and the average business decision maker. We will bridge the gap between the CEOs who lead the world's corporations and the new world of cryptocurrency. Radio Shack, go, go, go. How will we make the bridge? Radio Shack DeFi will start with a swap. They're going to do like a Uniswap or a Shiba swap. We believe this is the lowest hanging fruit that is full of opportunities. Here's who they partnered with. Radio Shack is partnered with Atlas USV. So Atlas USV has now partnered with Radio Shack. Freaking fantastic. This gives Radio Shack a unique advantage. The liquidity is a long-term or permanent since the liquidity pool is owned and not rented. It does not have to be diluted to promote the growth. The Atlas USV protocol is a long-term holder, renewed short-term provider of liquidity. Heading back over here, talking about the low-hanging fruit, mainly because it's an incredible levels of profit with the trading fees. Now, whatever Radio Shack decides to do in the partnership with the company called Atlas USV, it offers a universal, decentralized, widely acceptable DeFi-based layer. So let's give a big hand of applause for Radio Shack. Go Radio Shack. It now returns as a crypto company. All right, heading back over here to AMP Token. We're on the Twitter page. Gamestop is now live on Flexa. To celebrate, we have enabled the support of few. Here we go. GameStop is now on Flexa, and we now celebrate by enabling support of 4 new metaverse assets. Axie Infinity, Mana, Sandbox, and Smooth Love Potion are now accepted anywhere on the Flexa network. So yeah, some big stuff right there. You can pay GameStop, scan to pay. So GameStop is now on Flexa. Also now on Flexa, assets from the world's best and largest NFT ecosystem and marketplace, introducing support for fast and fraud-proof with Audius Projects, Audio, Engine, Original Protocol, Rare, and Riley. So yeah, all kinds of 25 days of Flexa. NFTs are now accepted. So here you go. Take a look there. So all kinds of good stuff going on with AMP Token. So what's our price prediction? Well, the coin is under 5 cents. A lot of people were hoping when it was at 6 and 7 that it would get under 5 cents so they could load up. So definitely load up while you can. I'm actually going back to my price prediction of 12 cents by the end of first quarter. If Amazon decides to take AMP Token on as one of the 2 of the 4, it's a 50% chance that if this happens, it's going to really go big. Take a look at this real quick. Take a look at the history. And right here, the coin was at 5 cents, and then what happened? It got listed on what? What does that say? Binance listing. So it got listed on Binance 11/22. Binance, not Binance US, but Binance everywhere in the world. And look what happened. The coin jumped over to 7 cents. Okay, so that's what happened when it got listed. Then it came down a little bit, and now it's kind of trying to work its way back up. Well, if Amazon comes aboard and picks 2 of the coins, yeah, that's going to be pretty good stuff. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. AMP Token back to 12 cents. Jumping over here at the top 10. Avalanche is up 40% in the last 7 days, traded $125. Luna is also up 59%, 60% in the last 7 days at $92. Both of those coins, if you had some investments in that before these videos, like 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago. Cardano is at number 7, up about 4% in 24 hours. XRP is up 9% at number 6, almost 95 cents. Solana is up 3%, 12% in the last 7 days, up $179. Binance Coin is at 532. Ethereum's over 4,000, up 6% in the last 7 days. And Bitcoin is right there at 49,200, up 4%. Yeah, so AMP Token to the moon if this happens. I mean, all kinds of good stuff. I mean, all kinds of assets in the metaverse. They keep adding things. AMP is definitely on the move. Give us your thoughts below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hey, everybody, click right here to see our most recent video. We bring you video every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 o'clock. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 to 4. Bonus videos will be right around 5 o'clock or 8 o'clock, and we do bonus videos Monday through Friday. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today. Let's go out and have a lot of fun with cryptocurrency.